Jones came from. That's where Tom Jones came from. Oh, I just remembered another thing I know about Wales. There's this skit, a television show, something about the only gay that did it. I would rock this bitch in Wales. I would rock this bitch in Wales if I was in Wales. I'm not in Wales. About as close as I've been in a long, long time. I'm gonna do a 2/5 chord progression to a half cadence, and then a tritone substitution, and a polychord fraction. Wales. And I think that the band did what, badly wrong? Put it out. Yeah, it's going to come out in September.